All right, so I'm using this 1/4" 4x8 to draw out the size of the trailer. I'm planning to do a grid to match this graph paper grid. The rough graph drawing I was working on. So each square here was 2 inches. So I plan to do about the same on this, and then it'll be easier to transfer it over to the wood, and I'll use this as my template. So let's get on it. So I've been working on this for about 2 hours now, and I realized that now when I was gonna start transferring the graph to this 1/4" panel for my template, realized this was gonna be tedious and annoying, and it's about 2 o'clock, so I decided to get some reinforcements to help me get through it. So I got me a beer. Yep. Let's get to it now. All right, a quick update. I just completed graphing this 1/4" 4x8 so I can transfer my drawing from my graph paper. I made each block 2x2, 2 inches by 2 inches, and that's how I assign it on the graph paper, so it shouldn't be as hard to make it look okay. So all right, just a quick update. I just transfer what I have on my graph paper, which is, I got the door, the window, kind of, this is facing front, so that curve there. And then I was thinking about cutting the back flat like that. Why? I don't know, but that was what I was thinking about doing, so I'm sticking to it. So then that's how it's starting to look now, with the window cut out on the back. Now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna go through my lines and cut it out with the jigsaw. Cut the door out, cut the window out, cut the back out, and hopefully I'll mess it up. All right. Okay, it's an update here. I traced out the layout that I wanted for the sides of the teardrop on this 1/4". I traced from my graph paper what I drew. Each block is a 2x2 here, so I trace and cut the door, the window, the back, and the curve in the front. Hopefully it's not too much, but we'll see later. And there you go. Now I'm gonna kind of like dry fit on the side, see how it looks. This is the side panels that I'm gonna be using. Yeah, we'll see. All right, so quick update. I used the router I have. First time using a router. I definitely messed up a couple things, but I was able to cut into the side, the door, the window, and the back and the front. I definitely messed that up right there. This whole thing was moving. I didn't clamp it down, so it caused the wood to tilt down, and I didn't even realize what I was doing. But overall, not too bad for the first time using one of those things. All right, so that's kinda how it looks. I'm holding it with this piece of wood here, but so not too bad. You know, yeah. Gonna cut the other side now. So the other side, I'm just not cutting the hole for the door. I'm just doing one window, same window, and then that's it. Update. It's definitely getting dark now. I got both sides. This is 2 screws here, one there, and on here, kind of just to hold it in place there. Same thing, same place in the other side. Put a piece across, just to hold it there. But yeah, not bad, right? I guess, maybe. Alright, so I decided actually gonna glue 2 of these together to make the cross beams. These are 1x2s, so I'm just gonna glue them together. I think that would be a little more solid, sturdier. So yeah, I clearly need a lot more of these. All right, just a quick update. This is where I'm at. I'm out of wood. So this is like, I put them about 12 inches from center to center. It's 12 inches. So that's what I plan on doing, except for on the top, because I know there's a fan that goes in there. It's only about 14 inches, so I haven't figured that part out yet. But yeah, so when I glue them together, it's 1x2s/6, so should be pretty more sturdy like that. And this is it for now. Like I said, just a quick update where I'm at. I got more of these 1x2s, by 6s, and again I kept gluing them together to make these cross beams. So I got, they're 12 inches each from center to center. Trying to make up the back. Kind of building the wall right now for the back. Yeah. So this open space right there, that's what I'm gonna for now leave open until I get the fan in, so I can measure that and know exactly how spaced apart I'm gonna have them. I know it's about 14 inches, but still. So yeah, that's it.